Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today I have a tool review, or more of, I guess, the first impressions, because I just got these. I think they're pretty new. I was searching on Amazon for some bit cases, just something small. I kind of reworked my MCT since I'm kind of working out of my truck a little bit more now. And I kind of just threw this little bitty bit deal in here just to have my, my standard stuff that I normally use just to grab real quick so I don't have to go to my truck if I'm missing one. And I was just searching for something that would either snap on the outside of my bag or something that's a little bit better that would fit inside that one pocket space that I've got free there. And I came across these. They're by Railer, and they're called Bitrails, heavy duty Bitrails. I picked up a couple. They have multiple versions of these. I think I saw some that hold from like 4 bits to 6 bits to 20 bits. Just depends on what you want, what size you're looking for. I picked up this part number here, which is 2-inch Torx tamper magnetizer bit rail. It's a 10-piece set. And then I also picked up this one that's a 1-inch SAE metric ball end hex mega bit rail, and that's a 20-piece set. And I mostly picked up these, like I said, I wanted the holders that whenever I saw them, I wanted to see how they'd work out. So I just went ahead and got some bits that I thought I would need, because I don't think I have any of these that I could put, these ball end hex bits, to put into my normal thing, so I can put them in a drill if I want to or whatever. So when you open the box, this is what you get on this one. Again, this is one of the bigger ones. It's a 20-piece set, and you have this basically bit holder of all these. And again, I'll put links in the description if you want to go and look up all the bit sizes and things like that. But this one was $14.99. And you can get these in orange, or you can get them in black. I got them in orange so that in case I do put mine on my bag, it kind of stands out a little more. But you might be the kind that you want it to blend in more. I just want to be able to see it. But you also get within this package here, you get a sticker, to put on your toolbox, whatever you might want to do with that. And you also get one of these so that you can snap that on, and now you can clip that onto your bag if you want to. So if I wanted to put it on my MCT on the outside out here, I could clip it on my bag like that. I could clip it on the side D-rings. I could clip it inside on those if I wanted to have it hanging there. If I didn't think that was going to get in my way, I probably won't do that. Mine will probably sit on the outside, but actually, like I said, I got these to actually see if they'd fit in this one pocket down here, and I can fit a couple of these, and then I can just leave them in there and get them out as I need them. But I thought that this was a pretty nice set for, $14.99. Time will tell if these bits will hold up. We'll just have to see on that again. I just got these, so I can't tell you about the bits too much. They do come in and out. It's a little snug, but they come out, I think you would want it a little bit snug, because you obviously, if you're going to have them hang on your outside of your bag, you don't want to just have something that when you shake it, and I don't know how this is going to hold up over time, again, pulling it in and out, but I just thought it was a pretty good deal. I mean, for $15 to get all these ball end hex bits, so now I've got pretty much that covered, and it's SAE and metric. But again, if you even wanted just this rail, you could take out all these bits if you're not going to use these very often. Again, that's what I bought it for, was just to get like these holders, and you can put that on your bag, whether it's your MCT. I've got my MP1 there if I wanted to hang this off. This one's probably a little big. I might buy me like a little, one of the ones that holds like 6 or something like that. And again, they range, I think I saw on there, they range from anywhere from $9.99 to maybe like $18. Just depends on how big they are and what size bits that you want to get. And the other set that I picked up was this Torx. It's a 2-inch Torx tamper magnetizer bit rail. So it's a little bit smaller. Comes with these longer bits, but it's really the same thickness rail. It just sticks up a little taller, and your bits come in and out. I think this one went from a T8 to a T40 of different sizes. They seem like they're pretty decent bits, but again, time will tell. I haven't used any of the bits yet at all. I just wanted to share these because I thought more than anything, the little bit holders are nice. And then just for giggles, I was trying if I took out this bit, and again, they fit in there pretty snug. We'll see how they loosen up. So you could put your dewalt bits or something, or your milwaukees in there if you want to. It's the same difference. They can slide all the way through. So that it's a hole, and it's a pressure fit, and it's some kind of a rubbery material, but you don't have to use these bits in it. Any of them will work. I did notice, the 1-inch bits, which is what, these are. If you put these in here, you know, basically you put them in until they get tight, because you can push them on through, and then they're going to probably hit that sweet spot of, now I don't have enough to hardly pull that in and out, which you can come back here to the back side and poke it with your finger. But it's kind of hard to get to a 1-inch bit right there. Maybe it's because I got another tall one around it, but it's hard to get that Phillips bit out because it's basically, the tapered head is sticking out. So you got to just be careful when you put those in. Just put it in that far. I mean, that's in there snug. It's not going to come out of there at the moment. And then the difference with this one, another reason this is what I actually bought this one for, because I normally pack Klein magnetizer, demagnetizer. I normally clip that on the side of my bag. So there's the size comparison of that. So I know a lot of you already have this on your bag anyways. So I could take these out and change this out with smaller bits, which is probably what I'm going to do with this one. This is the one I mainly got to put on my bag. And then also you get a magnetizer on this as well. It's not a demagnetizer, it's just a magnetizer. So if I take this, it's a pretty strong magnet. I can put that in there. And then if I put a screw out here, it magnetizes, you know, whatever that bit is. So it's kind of two birds with one stone with that. To me, I can kind of, I don't know that I ever used the demagnetizer part on this. I'm not sure if I ever have in my whole entire time that I've ever used this. So I'm kind of getting two things with one with this. I'm going to be able to have some bit storage, plus have the magnetizer if I need that. Again, I just thought it's kind of neat. Wanted to share it with you guys. It's not really a tool that's going to change your life maybe, but I think for, you know, those of you that got tool bags and you like to clip your bits and stuff like that on the outside, or you're looking for a new way maybe to hold things, I think that's a pretty good setup. The fact that you can just take this, clip it on the outside of your bag, hold your bits, they're right there close, ready to get to them. So again, I'll put links to these in the description, but if you, I'll put some to the ones I have, and maybe just a few other ones that I saw that maybe would be interesting to you guys, or different sizes. But if you just search Railer Bitrail on Amazon, they got maybe like 15, 20 different little sets that they have. But I just wanted to share them with you guys because I thought they were neat, and I think they're pretty useful. So let me know what you think. Let me know if y'all have got some. I think they're pretty new. There's not a lot of reviews even on Amazon out there. But if you have had them and you've got more longevity on them than me, how well do these bits, you know, stay as far as their holding power in these cases? Is it still pretty good if you've had it for a lengthy period of time, or if you've used these bits extensively? Are they the kind that are just going to break in half when you use them? But let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys stay safe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.